Backyard.
That's what
AAC. We're serving Zavala's barbecue. This is live. Unbelievable.
Golden, brown, and delicious. That's what we all call you.
Hey, Jose. You've been cooking a whole bunch. What are you going to teach me today? What are you going to cook?
We're going to cook a tri-tip with 44 Farms tri-tip with beef rub and butt rub.
Awesome. So what are you going to do first?
We're going to go ahead and cook this, and after we're going to put the butt rub and beef rub.
Awesome. Go ahead and throw some beef rub on there.
Okay.
This is so cool. Yep. You need some help? Or you got it? Oh, here, let me see if I can help you. Oh, there you go. Let's throw some on that side. Yeah, there you go. Use that beef rub. Do you need some help or you got it?
I got it.
All right, keep it going. Man, that's actually really good. Now come over here.
Okay.
All right, good job. Wow. I'm gonna flip it over, okay? Or actually throw a little right there. All right, let's flip it over. Throw some more over there. There you go. Where'd you learn how to season?
Amazing Beef Farms, no way.
Awesome. All right, are you gonna put some bird rub on there now?
All right.
Here, I'll help you out. It is all good. There you go. And the cool thing is you can put as much as you want, right?
Mm-hmm.
There you go. Good job. Man, you need to come teach all my friends how to season. You season so good. That's amazing. And we're here at NOMAD headquarters, right?
Yeah.
How much do you like NOMAD?
100 out of 10.
100 out of 10? That's so much more than 10. You silly rabbit. All right. So we have this NOMAD here. We're going to use it as a smoker, right? First to put it on one side and get it to about 100 degrees and then we'll sear it?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I put it on there for you or do you want to put it on there?
You can put it on there.
Okay. So we're just going to let it hang out right here for, what do you think? Maybe 30 minutes?
Okay.
Sounds good. We're going to close her up.
All right.
All right, we'll do 30 minutes. It'll be about 275, and we're going to use a temperature gauge, thermal pin, and we want to fill, I don't know, 100 degrees, 115 degrees.
Whatever one.
All right, well get over here, son. Say, we'll be right back.
But we will be right back. A bit about 30 minutes, and after we go steal it, and let's just do it as magic.
Magic? Okay, let's have some magic. Oh, wow, Jose, you did such a great job. Look at the seasoning. It's starting to get color. That's amazing. Can I sear it now?
If you want.
Okay. I want that. Oh, yeah, you hear that? So we're just going to do this until we get it up to temp.
All right.
We need probably like a Topo Chico or something to hang out and drink, huh?
All right. I already got one over there.
Yeah? All right. Well, we're going to go get a Topo, and then when we get back, we'll flip it over a couple times.
I'll go get my own Topo.
All right. Go get your Topo.
Bye.
Bye. Ooh, how's that Topo? Oh, smoke getting in your face? Come on. Well, let's flip it over then. Come on. So is it okay if I flip it? Yeah? Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Is that what you want? Do you want a little crusty crust? You gotta go. Let's see what we're tipping at right now. What do you think we're at? Guess.
110.
109. 120 up there. Ooh, I think we might be ready. Oh yeah.
Get it off the floor.
You think so?
Smoke gets in my
I don't know. I kind of like the crust. You don't want a little more crust?
Maybe a little.
Ooh. Did you know you can do that with the NOMAD? Look at those flames. Is that not fun?
Careful, because you will break it.
I'm gonna break it. You think
This
so?
is the first ever time I rolled my eyes in a video.
Yeah.
Second ever time now.
All right, I'm gonna pull it.
Okay, pull it.
All right, we'll come over here. So do you always tell the people to rest their meat, right? How much time should we let it rest for?
About 30 or 40.
30 or 40 minutes?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a long time. Can we do like 10 or 15 minutes?
All right.
It's up to you. You tell me.
It doesn't matter. You can do anytime you want until it's not under 1.
Until it's under 1? All right. We're just going to wait about, let's wait 10 minutes. And then we'll come back and we'll slice it up. And then you can tell me if it's good or bad.
Okay.
Sounds like fun? What we got? You tell me what's going on, dog.
We're going to slice this up. I don't know if I'm going to make the joke today, but we're going to slice this up, and then we're going to spice it up. Get it? Get it?
Spices, because we put spices on there, rubs.
Mm-hmm.
That's funny. That's what's up. All right, let's slice this up and see how it looks. Oh, yeah. Yeah. You ready to try it out?
Yes. Ow.
Yeah.
Ow.
Oh, yeah. The beautiful thing is it's about a medium, and then when you get more to the center, we get a more medium rare. So I'm going to slice you up a little piece there. You ready? Tell me if, oh, you just went right in for it.
Come back on bbqjustglow.com. You get for this video. And don't forget to subscribe, because we only have like 12 subscribers.
And we're out.